called You Ask, We Create. Many of our subscribers keep asking me how I print my pattern papers and which paper and which printer I'm using. I'm going to answer all these questions in today's video. Before that, it will take few minutes to subscribe guys, so make sure that you're subscribed. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, open the Pixart app and then click the plus icon in the bottom. Then click Edit a photo and choose the photo you want to edit. Then click a Tools tab on the bottom and then click the first option Crop. Give the ratio as 3:4. Then download it. Then click a back button. It will ask, do you want to save the draft or not? If you want to save, then click a Save Draft. And if you don't want to save, click a Don't Save. And repeat the same steps for all the pattern papers. You can see the saved images in your gallery. I get these pattern papers from a Pinterest app. I will leave the pattern paper links in description. After saving all the images, go to the gallery and select all the images. I'm sending it through a mail because after this we are going to work in a PC. For this edit you will need a Microsoft Word. I'm downloading the pattern papers from my mail in my PC. You can see the downloaded images in a download file in PC. Open the MS Word and paste the pattern papers. After pasting the pattern papers, we are going to resize the image's size. Right click on the image, select the wrap text and then select through option. And then again right click the image. You can see the height width option in the bottom. It will show the measurements in an inch. If you guys want to add it in a centimeter, just add the centimeter after the number you gave. For example, if you want a pattern papers in a 5 cm, just add a 5 cm in a height. Repeat the same steps to all the pattern papers and then arrange it. For arranging, just drag the image to where you want to place it and also select the picture border on the top so that we can easily cut it out after the printout. After editing all the photos, give the print option. And most repeated questions that you guys asked is which paper I'm using for printing and which printer I'm using. I'm using a photo paper. I will leave the Amazon link in description. And the printer that I'm using is Epson L380. I will leave the printer link in description. You can give the print option in a file tab or use a shortcut key Ctrl+P. Just turn on the printer and then insert the paper. Currently I'm using this photo paper. I'm printing these pattern papers for a semicircle miniature album and a purple pattern paper for a next You Ask, We Create series. Tada! Our pattern papers are ready for creation. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any doubts or you want any other tutorial videos, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for